How to use 1010 app. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily use the 1010 app. You can find this app both on Android's Play Store or iOS App Store. And after you've downloaded the app, you can simply create an account and log into your account. So your homepage should look something like this. And in order to start using the app, you at least need one friend. So you can see this pin right here. You can share this pin to other people so that they can add you as a friend on this app. Or you can tap on this plus icon. You can share your pin, invite your friend via other social media website like Snapchat, messaging, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Or you can add by pin and enter the pin of your friend. Like it's shown right here. If they enter this pin, they should be able to add you as a friend. And after you do that, if you head over to the settings icon on the top left corner, you can see different sections like your name, your profile, power moves, all the legal stuff. You can send them feedbacks, you can change language, and the danger zone. So danger zone is basically if you want to log out from here or delete your account. And if you tap on edit profile, you can change image, change your name. So it's a really cool app to use, and you can play around with these settings to find out more things. That's all for today's video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.